Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu Channel. This is Sifu JJ, training Kung Fu with your motivation.
Give yourself a fighting chance. Whatever you go after, whatever you say, if this is your stuff, pursue it passionately. Let there be a deep hunger in you that you won't be denied.
Let's start with 撞拳。The 撞拳 is strike by your arm, not fist, with close combat, with internal style. So your both hand is open like a palm and connect the energy from inside, and you twist, become at the fist, and you twist your waist, and with your the arm tuck, and your body twist the same time to generate the biggest power is possible. Your feet from straight, both your toes. Once you're ready, your both toes twist, and also the power from your heel and your knee and your hip and to your waist until your arm. With a close combine to your punch, you go stay low and your arm to attach the people's body and you twist, boom. Say the movement again. To both hand go crushing. Right hand on front, your left hand behind you, and you go twist much you can to the left. And you twist the halfway, you both hand become the fist. And from here, you got to twist and go shot with the power. 1, 2, fist, twist, drop, power. 1, 2, 3, with your fist, go shot. To make the strongest 撞拳 in the world, you have to make your waist strong, your leg strong, also your arm strong. So let's do some exercise with me. 1, in your hand, can you work, have some weight from home and keep training. This one. All the way, go to the right, and all the way, transfer, go, 1, and 2, and short, boom, short, your knee, feel power, and the timing of the twist, to the arm, and go, and go low, and boom, up, go low, and up, go low, and up. Remember, the 撞拳 only for close combat. Close to somebody, really close, and to twist your waist with your 撞拳. Also, you need explosive power, like 1 inch power from your arm, from your waist. Let's train. 1, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, go, 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 go. Next move is 跺脚宅拳. The 跺脚 is strong steps, and 宅拳 is the right hand from the top go down and left hand same time go to up and protect your head. You may questioning why we do 跺脚. What does step for? The big strong steps, right? Let's say the image. Welcome back. I think you understand more about the 跺脚, the steps were the 4. So you step to someone strong, and you can push or push, right? So step, put on the feet. You can push by anyways. So the 跺脚 is very important in internal style of Kung Fu. Like 形意八极, we use a lot of the steps. Like every move almost push, push. So 形意 you say push. Why those steps very important? Because your steps, the internal style, your qi 成丹田, your qi goes down, more down to the ground, and then your feet like the loot. Stay in there and stable and strong. People push you, you cannot move. And push back and parry strike with your power, with your power. This again with the right technique. So your right hand make a circle and left hand relax back to your waist and your knee lift and you go down. And at the same time your feet make a step and then your hand go down with block and your left hand also on the top to block like this. So say this again. So you say 1, your left hand relax and go up and go strong step. So this technique must be the three things all in one, the same timing. So with your steps, with your blocking, with your hand, so you go shoot and go shoot and shoot. As the internal Kung Fu style, so we request you make the strongest, the step and power strong as possible. But so start a little bit gentle and slow, just like you do a punch or something. Like you didn't training enough, and you just give the strongest punch, you might broken your wrist. Same thing, once you make that step, you have a big impact from your feet to the ground, just like you're kicking somewhere. So if you do too strong, maybe injure your ankle or your knees. So you guys start with little gentle power. And once you use to, and also very important, you balance your body. You say everything the same timing. The power, go step, power, go step. That is great. So let's connect to next move. This move called blocking and snap kick. So the blocking, the move intention is protect your face. So from the top, if someone punches you, you go to blocking to protect your face, and followed by a strong and fast snap kick. So why this is called snap kick? So the technique is, so you lift your knee and you gotta kick out and your toe point. Boom. So you might questioning why we have to do toe point if I go my toe up. So might be more stronger if you kick someone. Yes, that is possible, but only you have very strong toes. If not, very easy you can to injure your toes. This is the snap kick of 4. So the snap kick, so you gotta kick and quick get back. You can kick someone, the bottom part, it gotta be really strong. And also you can to kick the side part as also very strong. With this impact, with that boom speed compact, you can broken the bones. Alright, so now we need to back to training how to make your snap kick stronger and faster. So you need speed first, and this speed actually should start with your hip, so not your toe. Your toe lifts is not that fast, but if this part can go fast, and you have the speed for kicking, right? So let's training with this part. Go, knee up, and knee up, and you generate your speed. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, faster, and then now it's time to show your kick. So follow me now. Yeah, just touch on your hand right there to keep your balance first. So you go 1 and knee and 2 and kick and come back. So 1 and 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, down. 16, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's great. So let's go to next exercise. So finally we can throw some real kicks.
Or how not to give in. And you gotta understand that greatness is within you, and you gotta pull it out. You gotta climb every mountain. You gotta pick up all the weight. You gotta cry if you got to, but whatever you do, you cannot give up. You cannot give in. And if you give up and give in, you will never experience greatness. So keep going.
Let's keep going. The 劈拳 is vertical punch. So after the kick, so you both hands on the top and your elbow bending, the power generates from the top and go and down. Same time, you twist your toe from this way and twist to this way. Say, that's the power. And alright, so now you follow me step by step from the movement number 1 until the 劈拳. Let's go. Pass from lesson 1. And your hand relax, become palm, and twist as you can. And you go, twist. With the first one, we 撞拳. 撞拳, right hand go up, left hand back to your waist, relax, and you go, straight, stop, and protect. Right there, and your left hand go down, right, protect your face, and go kick. And after your hand go up, you landing your toe straight this way, and go boom, 劈拳. That's all for today. The lesson 2 of a 八极拳. I hope you got good training and sweat and getting stronger. And always to keep your passion and never give up. So stay your motivation training. I see you in next video and thank you. Bye bye. I love you all.